Hi everyone. Okay, there's a couple ways you can get to the Google site where your ePortfolio is. From the Mesa homepage, you can go in the middle of the page here under the listing on the left that says My Maricopa and click on that. And if you go to My Maricopa, over here on the right, do not click the Employees tab, but over here on the right, on top of the image of the woman with the laptop, there's a link that says Student Email, and you can go there. Another way that you can get there quickly is just type in the address up here, google.maricopa.edu. Once you're at this page, you want to log in with your MEID. That's the same thing you log in for your HR system or SIS. Once you're logged in, it should pull you up to an email. Remember, we forwarded this at the beginning of last semester, so even if there's emails in here, you should have gotten them already. Up here in the upper left-hand corner, there's a bunch of links, and one says Sites. If you click on Sites, Sites should take you to a listing which will be much shorter than mine that has your template in it. Okay, so hopefully that got you to your template without a problem. Now, here at the actual template. There hasn't been much for you to do up to this point. However, some things you want to look at. On the left it says NFE blog, and I kind of built a calendar into that. You have the ability to edit these pages, and I'm kind of hoping you do. So for example, if we scroll down to the bottom, there's one that says 1029 Reflections on Student Success Conference. I'm hoping that you actually click on that link, and up here in the right hand corner where it says edit page, you can actually edit this and put your reflections on attending the conference. So I'm hoping you might do that one because most of you attended the conference. So I'm going to click save and save that page. I'm going to go back to the blog. As far as stuff before next Monday, really there's two things I hope you've done. And again, they were built into this calendar. One here, 1029 Reflections on Becoming a Master Student, and 1210 Reflections on Academic Transformation. Both of those, Becoming a Master Student and Academic Transformation, were books that were in your bag, and both of them were books for student skills, student success courses. And my hope is that in both cases that you will skim each book, flip through the table of contents, flip through the chapters, and then in these entries, what I'm hoping is, again, you'll click on it over here in the upper right hand corner, click edit, and that you might briefly jot down what interested you about the book and why. And here's the more important thing. For both books, try to pull out one or two ideas of activities based on assignments or material you saw in the book that you might incorporate into your own classes. That's kind of the big thing that you need to have done before next Monday, because ideally you're going to be doing that. You're going to be incorporating an activity into your class or adding it on to an activity you already have, and then kind of researching and assessing how that worked. I hope this makes sense, and if not, no stress. We will get caught up next Monday.